Part 2. Video 2. The first video looked at the content and language used in the different sections of a simulated case assessment report. In this video, we'll look at some points to note when you are writing your case study. First of all, things to note before you write. First, analyze the given problem or case. Then think about what relevant theories you can use for the case. Then you need to plan how much information you are going to write for each section. Think about which section should be longer or shorter. Sometimes your lecturer may give you a word limit for particular sections, so of course you have to follow this. And then think about how much your audience, your reader, already knows. Although the reader could be the person who is marking your work, you still need to demonstrate your knowledge of the theories, but you do not need to explain every detail. A final tip is that many people like to write an outline of the report before they start. You may also find it useful to write an outline, so you know what you will include in each section. Now we'll move on to look at things to consider while you're writing. First of all, headings. Give appropriate headings for each section you write. Do not just copy the headings that are given in the writing guideline provided by your lecturers. Secondly, theories. Make sure you explain rather than just mention theories you're applying in a case so that you demonstrate your understanding of those theories. Your explanation does not need to be long. And don't forget to use referencing. Make sure you cite your sources to show where you read about these theories. Make sure your ideas are logical, that they are really suitable for the particular case. Then make sure that they're logically linked together and that the ideas flow naturally in the report. Finally, read what you have written from time to time to check the logic and the language. This is also helpful to see if you have written too much or too little for each section. Finally, we come to things to do after you have written the report. Always reread and proofread your work, as this will help you find mistakes in your writing that you've missed. And lastly, make sure your in-text citations match with the end-of-text reference list. Check the number of references, check the names, and check that the reference list is in alphabetical order.